The issue in Afghanistan is not a matter of victory or defeat, but rather the failure to import a political system, regardless of intentions, efforts made, or money invested. This experience in Afghanistan has collapsed after 20 years. The world has reached correct conclusions in this domain. However, it's important to avoid slipping into counter extremism if major powers abandon their duties regarding issues of world peace, guaranteeing the implementation of international conventions, and protecting civilians from war crimes. There is a difference between imposing trusteeship on other countries and carrying duties by major powers to implement international resolutions and conventions. It's also unreasonable for major powers to impose by force of arm on other countries a form of a political system that they deem appropriate on the one hand, and give up on the other hand, supporting countries that have adopted the same system of governance desired by the will of their people without external interference.